In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Proteus 8.7 on your computer. I intentionally saved my own Proteus on my desktop so that I can easily locate it and install it there. Now, this is a zip or RAR file, it's a packed file. You have to unpack it using maybe WinRAR. You have to unpack it. There's WinRAR in the download link that I sent to the group earlier, that I asked us to download materials from. So install WinRAR on your computer and use it to unpack this Proteus. So I'm going to be right clicking it, then I will click extract to Proteus Professional 8.7 sp3 build /. So I'll click that and the extraction process will begin. Wait for it. It has already created a folder here on my desktop. So let the extraction finish. Allow the extraction process to finish. Good. So our folder is fully extracted, so you won't be needing this anymore at this time. So open this folder. So you have 3 folders there. You have the crack. Your crack folder contains the crack for the Proteus and your license key. Go back. This is Arduino library. This one contains all the libraries unique to add Arduino function to Proteus. And finally, you have the installation setup itself. So double click it. If it doesn't work, right click and run as administrator. So I'm going to be running it as administrator here. This may take a while, so enjoy. So let me just gist us about Proteus. So Proteus is actually an interesting software. I started using Proteus right from Polytechnic days. Click next. Then on this one, click I agree. Then click next. Here, select use locally installed license key. So it's already selected. Click next. So no license key found. Click next to install one. So this is where you are going to install your license key. So what you are going to click is browse for key file. So select this one. Now go to your desktop location. Point this place to your desktop location. So I'm going to click desktop. I'm going to select Proteus Professional file. I'm going to open it. Go to the crack. Then select Mr. Dua.lsk. So it's going to load up the file. Then click install. So we have installed the license file. Without the license file, you will not be able to use your Proteus as a registered product. So click close. Now here you don't really need to do anything here. Just click next. Then here, this is the kind of installation you want. Select typical kind of installation. So this will install all the libraries and everything for you. So the installation process has started, and this may really take some time. So enjoy yourself, grab a drink and enjoy. So I was talking to you about Proteus, and I was saying that Proteus is actually an interesting software, and I've started using it since school days, around maybe 2012 now, and I've used it to simulate a lot of different circuits, from DC motor drivers to amplifiers I mean audio amplifier circuits to boost converter circuits before I started gaining ground in the use of microcontroller. And Proteus is awesome when you want to deal with microcontrollers. Later in around 2015, I got 2015 or 2018, I got to know that I can simulate Arduino on Proteus using this trick I'm giving to you now, and it makes it even more awesome. So where does Proteus comes in? With Proteus, you don't need to waste money on buying components first. When you have something to design, you can first test it on your computer, because in most cases, if your Proteus work correctly on the computer, it is going to work correctly in the real life when you actually make the device. So if your Proteus does not work correctly, the design you made, if it doesn't work correctly on Proteus, it is unlikely that it will work in the real life event. So Proteus has really helped me in making my design seamless. So I don't waste time testing it on breadboards or prototyping it in many places. I just get on my computer, write the codes, designing the circuit diagram on Proteus, make adjustments until I see the result I want of Proteus. Once I do that, I know that when I build it, the design will work. It will work just like that. So that's the advantage that Proteus gives. So we're going to be using Proteus to simulate most of the codes we've been writing. We're going to be seeing the effects in real life on Proteus simulation in this training. So let the installation finish while I take a cup of water. Alright, when you get to this place, do not run Proteus. Do not run Proteus. Let me take it one more time. Do not run Proteus. Click close. Now, if you have done this, you have finished the first stage of installing Proteus to your computer. Now the second stage is the crack. It's how to crack it. Now open your crack folder. Now open the Proteus 8 professional file. Now these two folders will be copied into your installation folder where your Proteus is installed to. How do you do that? Open another Windows Explorer on your local disk C. Open a new window. Now here, locate program files first, then locate Proteus or Lab Center Electronics, then Proteus 8 professional. Now this bin, don't forget this is our crack folder. Copy this bin into here. So it will ask for that you replace. See, let's replace the files in the destination. Do this for all current items and click continue. So now we've just replaced the bin folder here with the one here. Let's continue to the next step. Go back to your local disk C, then select program data. Now normally this is often an hidden folder. This is often an hidden folder. To unhide it on your computer, click view and you will see show or hide. You will see hidden items rather. This hidden item boss. Normally it will not be checked on your computer. You see now my program data has disappeared, so check it, hidden item. So this is my program data. Open it, then locate lab center electronics again. Open this, then this model, this is what we are replacing. So we are going to be copying this one, copy, and we paste it here. Paste. So it's going to ask for replacing. So click replace the files in the destination. So we have replaced the model here with the model here. So if you have done this, you have successfully cracked your Proteus 8 Professional, and you'll be able to use it for free. Proteus is actually a very costly software, in the range of $1,000 above. So but with this you'll be able to use your Proteus for free. Now let's go ahead and add our Arduino library. So just click library from here. So you see all the libraries that are available in the Proteus software. So on your crack folder, go back, this folder, librarians Arduino, I think this is French. Then open it, then everything that you have here, copy it, Ctrl A, copy everything, Ctrl C, and paste it here. Okay, I think this is happening because I already have the Arduino library installed on my Proteus before, so you just may not like to bring this window. So let me just click replace. So with this I've added Arduino boards and other boards to my Proteus library, so I'll be able to simulate them using Proteus. Now if you have done all of this, you have successfully installed Proteus to your computer with extra Arduino board simulation. Now let's run Proteus now. Let's run it. So it should be somewhere on your desktop. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Just double click and your Proteus should open. Wait for it. Yeah, we have Proteus. We have Proteus now. Proteus is successfully installed. So your Proteus should look like this. You are welcome. Let's continue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.